Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log into your Airbnb account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your mobile device. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a login option. Go ahead and tap on it to begin the login process. This will take you to the main authentication screen where you can access your account. Next, you'll see a button that says Login or Sign Up. Tap on this button to proceed. This is the main entry point for accessing your Airbnb account, whether you're a returning user or creating a new account. Now here's where Airbnb makes things convenient for you. If you've logged in before on this device, your account information will automatically appear on the screen. This saves you time from having to manually enter your credentials every single time. However, if the account shown isn't yours, or if you want to use a different account, simply tap the Not You option. This allows you to enter new credentials and switch between different Airbnb accounts if needed. For this example, let's assume the correct account is showing. Go ahead and tap the Login button to continue with the authentication process. This confirms that you want to proceed with logging into the displayed account. After tapping Login, Airbnb will send a verification code to either your registered email address or phone number depending on which method you have set up for your account. This is a security measure that ensures only you can access your account, protecting your personal information and booking history from unauthorized access. Once you receive the code, check your email inbox or text messages. Enter the code exactly as it appears into the verification field within the app. Make sure to type it correctly to avoid any errors. After entering the code, tap the Continue button. The app will verify the code, and if everything matches, you'll be logged into your Airbnb account immediately. And that's it. You're now successfully logged into your Airbnb account and can start browsing listings, managing your bookings, or checking your messages. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.